How to transfer money to external banks using Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send money from Discover to another bank, well here is how to do it on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here, you can simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your main dashboard, you can select the account you want to transfer money from and click on transfer money or external transfers in the account menu, and there you can add the external bank account if you haven't already by entering the routing number and the account numbers, and there you can enter the amount you want to transfer and select the date and review all the details carefully. And once you're done with it, you can just click submit or confirm to complete the transfer and you would see a confirmation message. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money to external banks using Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.